You don't grow wealthy by playing fair with time. You grow wealthy by controlling it. And most people don't survive this mistake. They earn, they scale. Then time works against them, dripping out tax relief over decades while the IRS takes full price up front. The wealthy? They compress time. They take 27 years of benefits and pull it into year one. This isn't about rent. It's about restructuring the calendar. They break down the building, lighting, floors, fixtures, and write it off faster. Not a loophole, not shady, just using the tax code the way it was written, intentionally. One investor was ready to sell just to cover his tax bill. Instead, he learned how to time shift. He kept the asset and wiped out 6 figures in tax. It's called cost segregation, a strategy to accelerate depreciation. So you free up cash now, not decades later. Wealth isn't about playing harder. It's about bending time in your favor. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.